Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zombie cocktail. First, let's gather all the unique ingredients and essential bar tools you'll need to craft this legendary tropical drink. We'll then walk through the simple steps to combine everything perfectly, ensuring a delicious and authentic result. Get ready to impress your friends with this vibrant and flavorful concoction. To create the iconic zombie, you'll need a blend of light, gold, and dark rums for its signature depth. Next, incorporate apricot brandy and falernum, which add a distinct, aromatic sweetness. Fresh lime juice and grapefruit juice provide the essential tartness, balanced by a touch of grenadine. Finally, a dash of Angostura bitters ties all these wonderful flavors together. Once you have all your ingredients, combine them in a shaker with plenty of ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds to ensure everything is thoroughly chilled and well mixed. Then, strain the vibrant liquid into a tall glass, such as a highball or a hurricane glass, filled with fresh ice. Garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of orange or pineapple for that perfect tropical touch. To truly savor your zombie cocktail, serve it immediately over fresh ice to maintain its refreshing chill. Feel free to adjust the balance of sweet and tart to match your personal preference, perhaps adding a little more lime or a touch less grenadine. This drink is a fantastic way to enjoy a taste of the tropics. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.